good. G. Nasaan letter G? Yes, that's letter Q. Nasaan letter Q? Dikit mo siya dun sa baby Q. Yan, very good. Maybe that's letter D. Nasaan letter D?
Ayun, letter D.
Very good.
Ayun, letter E.
Very good. Letter? Very good.
Ayun pa eh.
Very good. Nasaan letter L? Nasaan letter L?
Kasya letter N.
No. Ilagay mo siya dun sa baby letter L. Hanapin mo. Yun. Very good.
Hanapin letter.
Yan. Very good. Oh, ito pa.
Ito pa.
Very good. Galing, baby Iggy. Very good. Very good. New, nasa new? Yan, letter U. Very good. B, nasa letter B. Yun, very good na naman. Ang galing talaga baby Iggy namin ha. Nasaan yung letter S?
Ayun, letter S.
Very good. O, yung iba pa.
Asan letter I?
Very good. Very good. Ang galing talaga Uy, dyan ba ang Y? Nasaan yung baby Y niya?
Ayun, baby Y.
Yun, very good.
Baby J.
No.
Baby J.
Very good.
Baby
May dalawa pa
E.
Hmm.
Baby E.
Very good. Ay, yun, galing.
Ay!
Oy! J, baby. Nasa baby J. Yun. B. Very good. F.
Asan letter I?
Nasa yung iba?
Diba letter I? Baby letter I.
Nasaan yung X? Tayo ka nga, baby. Nasaan yung letter X?
Dito.
Nasaan? Tayo, ikaw, tayo. Baka tinatago mo yung letter X. Very good. Ang galing talaga, baby.